Alright, so I got my 2018 F150. It's got the 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 engine. And today I'm going to be doing a MPG test, but it's going to be a MPG towing test. So here is a shot of the truck, crew cab, long bed. It's got the max towing package. We also have the 20-inch rims. Right now the truck is on E. I'm going to drive it up to the gas station, fill it up, and when I get back from the MPG test, which is going to be about 83 miles, I'm going to go to the same pump and I'm going to fill up with gas again, and we're going to find out how much fuel we used on this trip. See you guys at the gas station. Alright guys, here we are at the gas station filling up with gas, and for this test we are going to be using premium gas because that's what we use for all our towing tests, all our EcoBoost towing tests, all use premium gas. Alright, so I'm just going to make sure it's all the way seated. We are at pump number 15. Pump number 15. And here's a shot of the load. Got a big chain here across the back. These actually go through the frame, these D-rings. We got these straps pulling it on the front. On the big mower, we got two chains up front, crossed. Again, the D-rings are going through the frame of the trailer. With a steel frame. And then on this side we have our ratchet strap. Alright, so this truck was actually like on E. It had absolutely no gas, so it's going to be all premium gas inside of the tank. And I'm a little nervous because we're only at 15 or 16 gallons. We're already at $50. So we got 36 gallons to go, so we'll see how much this ends up costing at the end of the day. Alright guys, so it stopped at $101.51 for 34 gallons. And I'm just gonna let this thing settle for like 30 seconds and give it another squeeze, and I'm gonna be on my way from here. Wait 30 seconds and alright, 34.4 gallons and $102 later. Let's get this show on the road. We're starting off this trip at 2,636.5 miles, and we will be back at pump number 15 to see how much fuel we used. Alright guys, making my way on this fuel economy test, just getting started. Just about 1 mile in, and really this is the first time towing with the 2018 F150. I mean, I've pulled this trailer around town, but never on the highway. So far, it's a lot better than the old truck that I had before. Before this, I had the 2015 F150, was extended cab with a 2.7 liter EcoBoost. It had the 6.5 foot bed, but it was a shorter cab, so it was a shorter wheelbase than this. And this longer wheelbase with the crew cab is definitely more stable, feels more stable, more controlled, but it's harder to turn. You really gotta get over to the left when you make a right hand turn a little more, and you really gotta swing those turns wider. So with the longer wheelbase trucks, you definitely gain stability going in a straight line, but you lose a little maneuverability when it comes to handling the trailer in tight areas. Anyway, we're at about 10 miles to the gallon, just getting started, and I will check back in a few minutes. Wow, definitely can feel the difference between the 2.7 and the 3.5. This thing literally pulls like there's nothing back there. Like, it's pretty impressive, the power that this truck has while towing. When you're just going fast, you know, with no load, your 2.7 feels really good, and it can handle the towing. You know, it can handle the demands of towing, but it feels like, you know, towing with the 2.7, in my opinion, it felt like obviously the weight was slowing it down or holding it back a lot more. And with the 3.5, it feels like the only limitation is the amount of traction that you have in the back. So literally, yeah, 3.5 for towing definitely feels a lot better than a 2.7. So right now we are 3.2 miles in at 9.5 average MPG.
The time, 4 in the morning. Once anything becomes a habit, it takes very little effort. We do it automatically.
Alright guys, 27.7 miles in at 12.1 miles to the gallon. I think this truck's gonna lose on efficiency to the 2.7. The 2.7 is gonna be the king of MPG. But man, it tows better, the truck feels better, a lot more power, and just is a pleasure to drive.
What is happening? A man with a mask.
He's loose again. Don't underestimate him. He's a brilliant criminal.
Now, if you turn this record over, every morning you know exactly what you're going to do and why.
Everything is still tight and it's looking pretty busy. But yeah, so far so good except for the MPG. You know, if you're going for MPG, go 2.7. You know, but we'll see what it does on the way back. With the 2.7, it actually pulled back a lot better MPG on the return home than it did on the drive back. So we'll see how it goes. Never fails. Alright guys, back at number 15. Filling up with gas. Alright, $20 to go 80 miles with this load. This is the most expensive fuel economy test, so we'll let it settle for like 30 seconds. Alright, and second squeeze. $21.49 and 7.49 gallons. 85 miles even, 12.9 miles to the gallon, according to the computer.